What is the maximum allowed rows in a Microsoft Excel? XLS or xlsx? Is there a limit? I couldn't find one posted.
Have a look at this link and this one, and this for 2013. A quick summary. Excel 365 unverified. This web archive link probably will not work with your browser, but the information is in the page source.
You can find out how many rows your version of Excel supports by opening a new file in Excel, then pressing Ctrl+ down arrow in an empty worksheet. This number of rows can be saved in the default format that version of Excel supports, for example xlsx. However, you will not necessarily be able to save in the older XLS format, which is still limited to 65,536 rows. Typing in a cell in row number 1,048,576, for example A1048576, then saving to XLS format will cause a warning. If you close and reopen this file, you will then find the cell empty.
Doing a web search for maximum number of rows in Excel gives a link, several, actually, with. Starting in Excel 2007, the big grid increases the maximum number of rows per worksheet from 65,536 to over 1 million, and the number of columns from 256, 4, to 16,384, XFD.